Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if iPhone 16 Plus supports power sharing. Here's the iPhone 16 Plus, and to use power sharing you need to plug in a USB-C cable into it. So let's plug in the cable, and on the other side of the cable plug in another device that you want to charge. So you can plug in, for example, AirPods or another iPhone, and you can see that they start charging with the cable that's plugged into the iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.